Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can edit menus in WordPress. So firstly go to your browser, and as you can see over here in my website I already have a menu. So I'm going to make another category in the menu and going to show you how you can do that. So in order for you to actually make categories, what you have to do is just simply go back to dashboard, then just simply hover over your post and you will find an option called category over here. So just simply click on category. Now over here just simply make a category. For making the category, just simply click on add new categories. Then just simply add a name to your category. Let's say event. And give it a little bit of description. Then after adding the name and description, just simply hit add. Now if you want to add subcategories under the subcategory, like a drop down box, just simply add those categories over here as well. So let me show you. Click on add new category and name it event 2. Then just simply disable this top level category over here and choose event. Then click add. Now it will become a subcategory. Now you can add another subcategory. Just simply go add new category. Now event 3. Then again disable the top level category and choose event. If you want to make this the category for the main event category or the subcategory, you can just simply choose any one of them from the two. But I want to make this a subcategory for the main event category. I'll just simply choose the main event, then add. Now the main event category has two subcategories. Now in order for you to actually see this in your website menu, what you have to do is just simply go back to dashboard, then just simply hover over appearance, then click on menus. Now over here in menus, just simply click on the drop box of categories, then click on view all, and you should be able to see all the categories over here. Then just simply choose event and the event 2 and 3. Then just simply hit add to menu and the categories will be added. Now over here what you have to do is just simply drag the event 2 and event 3 a little bit forward so you can make them a subcategory. As you can see over here it's written sub items. Now they are a subcategory of the main category, which is event. Now make sure to hit the checkbox for primary, because without them you won't be able to see the changes. Then after doing all the changes, just simply hit save menu. Now if you go back to your website and refresh your website, you should be able to see the new category or menu that you created, and under that you will see two new subcategories, which is event 2 and event 3. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.